Hello dear children. SST lesson number 16. Let us travel. Dear children, if we need to go from one place to another, if that place is nearby, we walk. Yes? But children, if that place is far from our home, we need vehicles like bicycle, car, bus, train, aeroplane or ship. All these vehicles that help us travel long distances are called means of transport. In this lesson, we are going to take more information about means of transport. As you know that we all need to travel from place to another, so we need vehicles to go. We need bicycle, bus, car, aeroplane or ship. Dear children, there are three main types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Children, land transport means some vehicles that travel on land. In that word only we can understand. And vehicles that travel on land are called land transport. For example, scooter, car, bus, etc. Trains are very good means of transport. If you want to board a train, we have to go to railway station. Different types of trains are there. Some trains are passenger trains. They carry only passengers. There are goods train also. They carry only goods. Trains that travel very fast from one city to another, they are express trains. Dear children, to save time, there are metro trains also in Delhi and Kolkata. Now in Mumbai and Pune also metro train project is going on. As these are superfast trains that help people travel long distances in very little time. Next means of transport is water transport. Vehicles that sail on water are called water transport. For example, boats, ferries, ships, etc. Dear children, motorboats that use engines to move fast, and there are sailboats also that use the wind force to sail their boats. There are passengers and cargo ships. Passenger ships carry people only, and cargo boats carry huge and heavy goods like machines. The place where the boats or ships are boarded is called a port. Dear children, nowadays people travel on cruise ship. In this picture you can see many facilities are available on this cruise ship. and people enjoy their vacations. Swimming pool, hotels, many suites are there, and it is a luxurious ship. Next is air transport. Vehicles that fly in air are called air transport. Examples: aeroplanes, helicopters, etc. Dear children, this is the fastest way of traveling. It saves time, but it is expensive. It is costly. Aeroplanes and helicopters are common means of air transport. There are big Airbuses also. Aircrafts that carry many passengers and goods. Dear children, there are cargo planes also that carry only goods. If you want to board an aeroplane, you have to go to airport. Dear children, helicopters are useful in traveling short distances, and helicopters are also useful in rescue operation. If there is situation of flood or earthquake, to drop packets in that areas, helicopters are used. Even people are trapped in jungles or mountains, helicopters are used in rescue operation. Dear children, hot air balloon is also mode of air transport. It is mostly used for entertainment. Children, there are public and private transport also. Some vehicles that carry many people at the same time are called public transport. Like in cities, buses, auto rickshaws and trains are used as public transport. Some vehicles that are used for personal use are called private transport. They travel up to the doorsteps. Dear children, some vehicles are pulled by engines and some are pulled by living being also. There are some vehicles that are pulled by human beings and animals also, like bullock cart, tongas, bicycles, cycle rickshaws and paddle boats. So it was about travel. So there are three main types of transport we have learnt in this lesson: land transport, water transport and air transport.